Hi guys, Ashish this side. So this is part 2 of Canada series in which I am going to tell you about the popular courses for Canada if you are looking for jobs and immigration, or if you are looking for permanent residency. But before we start this video, I just want to give you a word of caution. Understand this, that these are some of the popular courses on the basis of my research. If you are looking for something specific, you should go with that and do not get influenced by this, because what I personally believe is that every course has enough scope to get you a job or a career. So if you are really passionate about something, you should follow that and don't get influenced by anything else. But yes, if you are looking for something specific, if you are a school student and yet to make a career, then this video is going to be very helpful for you, because I am going to tell you about the most popular jobs or career options or courses in Canada which can help you to get there, settle down, or maybe become a permanent resident of Canada. So let's see which are the popular courses. So I'll give you first the names of the courses, then we'll get into detail to talk about the professions you can make out of these courses. Now, MBA is all in all, anytime you can do from any of the top country. They are always in demand. Then you have computer science and IT, you have business and finance, you have core engineering and engineering management. Then you have physical and earth sciences and renewable energy, you have agriculture, science and forestry, you have bioscience, medicine and healthcare, you have media and journalism, mathematics, statistics, actuarial science and analytics, and architecture, hospitality, education. So these are some of the important and popular sectors where it is easy to get a job or to make a career out of it. Let's see the details. So before that, I just want to tell you, this is from Canada's Immigration and Citizenship. They have the skill type. So they have skill type like type 0, which is restaurant manager, mine manager, store. Level A, which is doctors, dentists, architects. Level B are like chef, plumbers, technicians. Level C, industrial butchers, long haul truck drivers, food and beverage servers. And level D, that is fruit pickers, cleaning staff, oil field workers. So they have a proper identification, classification of jobs for better understanding on getting a job. Next is so first is MBA. Management consulting, banking, investment finance jobs are now under the skill shortage category. So anything that is in skill shortage category has high chances of getting you a job or a career. Similarly, management consulting job is also there on the skill shortage category, even in Australia. Now, MBA graduates with specialization in big data or analytics are also in extreme demand due to the increasing digitalization, automation and big data boom. So that is the reason you can look for MBA if you are planning for MBA. You have computer science and IT. The most sought after job functions in this are information systems, analytics and consultants, database analysts and data administrators. You have software engineers and designers, you have computer programmers and interactive media developers, you have web designers and developers, and DevOps and cyber security professionals. So in computer IT, these are the specializations you can look for. In business and finance, the most sought after job functions are asset management, broking, investment management, banking, insurance and accounting. So in business and finance, you can look for these job functions. Core engineering and engineering management, the most on-demand categories are mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, chemical, industrial and manufacturing, engineering, management. Next is you have physical and earth sciences and renewable energy. So in this you have physics and astronomy, you have medical physics and nanotechnology, you have geoscience and oceanography, oil and petroleum energy, mining, geology, geoinformatics and renewable energy. Agriculture science and forestry. The increase in the global population has been causing several problems, including climate change, global warming and food security. Agriculture science can play a key role in solving these problems. Therefore, like India and other foreign countries, the job prospect of agriculture science and forestry are excellent in Canada. So you have typical job position that includes the agricultural scientist, agronomist, forestry consultants and agricultural consultants. So these are some of the key job profiles that you can look for in agricultural science and forestry. Next you have is biosciences, medicine and healthcare. So in this The most in-demand job categories are biological science, biotechnology, pharmacist, nursing, medicine and dentistry. Then you have media and journalism. So the top sort of the job functions are digital media, advertising, marketing, public research, journalism, interactive media, UX UI design, visual effects and animation, and creative and graphic design. And next you have is mathematics, statistics, actuarial science and analytics. So apart from creating huge noise, the data boom has also triggered a great demand for quantitative and analytical professionals. Maths and analytics are used in various sectors like retail, FMCG, healthcare, travel, media. Presently, unconventional sectors like education, manufacturing and sports are also implementing the innovative use of analytics to get a competitive edge. So these were the top 10. Apart from the top 10, these are also other popular courses which you can look for, like architecture, urban and landscape architects, the job functions, and hospitality like accommodation and restaurant managers, and education like teachers and education counselors. So these are some of the most popular courses or job functions that have good possibilities to get a job and settle down in Canada. Now, this was the part 2 of Canada series, and again a word of caution. These are some of the popular courses, but you should also look for a good university or a college along with the courses, their credentials and a long-term future for yourself. So don't take any decision in haste, and make sure you plan everything very properly. In part 3, I am going to tell you about the top 25 universities of Canada, main cities for international students. So this will be very helpful for you in searching the right university and finalizing one for yourself. Now, apart from Canada, this channel has a lot of content to offer in terms of study abroad. So you can explore various countries, various courses, top jobs and a lot of other things. I also understand that you may have some queries on study abroad. So don't worry, I have put in the details in description where you can check and contact us for your queries. If you are new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe this channel, like this video, comment, share with your friends, and I will see you in some other video. Till then, stay connected.